Hello, my name is Viviana. I am here to present my final exam of testing and evaluation in ELT. Um, the goal is to show you a proposal for evaluation. I am going to do a summative assessment, which the goal is to evaluate students' learning at the end of the instructional unit by comparing it against some standard or benchmarks. A summative assessment takes place after a course or unit's completion. The grades tell whether the students achieve the learning goal or not. You assign grades. The purpose is to evaluate student achievements, and an example of this is a midterm exam, which I'm going to show you which one I did. The proportion for evaluation. The type of assessment is a summative. The grade is going to be the 7th grade. The level of the English of the 7th grade is B2. The objectives is to check the understanding of unit. The students are going to be able to use the present perfect tense in written and spoken language. The theme is the present perfect tense and the email, and the subject is English. The criteria is grammar, skill listening, skill reading, writing, and speaking skills. And the marks are going, the highest are going to be 10. For grammar, the objective is to demonstrate that the student understands the present perfect tense. It's going to be 10 marks. We have here 5 points. And the first one, the students have to write the participle forms of the following verbs. The second one is to complete the table that is in here. You can see it here. With the present perfect simple. The 3 other points are to write sentences in present perfect simple and organize them, to write questions in present perfect simple, and to ask for the information in the bold part of the sentences. The listening is they have to listen to an audio and decide if the sentences are true or false. This is graded 10 marks, and also another point is to write 2 main ideas from the audio they hear. The reading comprehension is graded 10 marks, and the objective is to understand the text and be able to answer the questions. The students have to read the story and then answer the questions. These are the questions. The reading text was in the page before. The writing is graded 10 marks. The purpose of this is to compose an email. The students have to write an email taking into account the structure of the email that they learned in class. And the objective of this is to use composition strategies to write an email of 160 to 180 words. That's the length of the email. The speaking skill is graded 10 marks. The students have to read the text that is given and be ready to retell the story and answer some question that the teacher is going to ask. The objective is to be able to retell the story in your own words. And here is the criteria. The students have to give general ideas, include all key events, tell events in proper sequence, include important details, use phrases and words from the extract, rephrases and uses their own words, make inferences and make connections and personal observation. And here, this is the table where they're going to be graded and which is the grade that they're going to have. This is the end of this. I hope you have understood this explanation of my proposal for evaluation in a summative assessment. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a lovely day.